Okay, so we will now move on to examples or some examples on how to integrate logarithmic functions. Okay, recall this formula, no? So, moro niya itong dapat dumdumon kami nga formula. Okay? So, let us consider number 1. Find the indefinite integral of 10 over x dx. Okay? So, klaro kay class nga the denominator is a variable x, no? Kung kadumdum po mo, the integral of 1 over x dx is just simply equal to ln of x. See? Okay, so since the denominator is x lang siya, so dali ra kay siya. You can have here, pagawas na to na si 10, the integral of 1 over x dx. So klaro na kayo, tanawa ang formula, on si answer ana, and that would be 10 ln of x plus c. Okay, so this is the answer of number 1. Okay, number 2. The indefinite integral of 1 over x minus 5 with respect to x. So, observe ang kalainan nila sa number 1. In number 1, ang iyang denominator is, or over, is a variable lang na x. While in number 2, function na x minus 5. In other words, we will introduce the u substitution. So, we let u be the denominator x minus 5. Then, find its derivative. So, derivative of u is du. What is derivative of x minus 5? Derivative of x is 1. So, ato na isulat ha. So, 5k, constant man. So, 1 dx. And 1 dx is just dx. No? Ato na ipakita para sa inyo. So, the given integral number 2 would become integral of 1 over u du. Okay? So, dali din kayo. Muna yung formula. No? So, integrate ln of u plus c. Then, wala pa tanaw man class because napamayo din na ito makita. We will do the back substitution. Meaning to say, ibalik na itong value ni u, which is x minus 5. So, ln of x minus 5 plus c. So, that is the answer. Okay? So, muna si number 2. Now, number 3, another type of example. Now, observe in number 3, na ay number nga 9 sa numerator, right? So, sa atong mga previous nga example na, unsa gyud gabuhaton basta na i-constant, we remove out, no? Ato lang ipagawas. So, in other words, ato ning isulat, equivalent to 9, integral of 1 over 5 minus 4x with respect to x. Okay. So, observe this one. Pare-pareho na Japan sa number 2. So, mag-let u ta, let u be equal to 5 minus 4x. Then, du is negative 4 dx. Now, observe, class, wala may negative 4 din na 1 raman. Dx, wala tapat di dx nga negative 4. So, we will divide both sides by negative 4. So, du over negative 4 is equal to dx. No? So, this becomes, the integral becomes the integral 9. Ipagawas na ito adaan. Then, du over negative 4 all over, okay, ibabara kayo. Then you have here u, no? So, simplify further 9. Pagawas natin na si negative 4, negative 1/4, so negative 4, integral of 1 over u du. Okay, na. So, integrate na dayon. Naka-formula, dali na dyan kay class. So, you have here, negative 9 over 4 ln of u plus c. Then, by back substitution, we could have negative 9 over 4 ln. What is the value of our u? 5 minus 4x plus c. Okay, and that is example number 3. Now, let's move on to example number 4. Find the integral of, paspas na kayo class. I really hope kung na may questions, pag-leave lang din mo comments or questions dito sa video sa akong YouTube, okay? So, number 4, find the indefinite integral of x squared over 5 minus x cubed dx. Now, try to observe plus kung nabay pattern, no? Kung makadumdum pa ta by integration by substitution, makita na itong may pattern recognition. Okay, so para dali ni siya ma-ansiran ninyo, dili mo mahadlok og answer kay feeling ninyo lisod, inyo na siyang i-rewrite. To integral of 1 over 5 minus x cube. Then kaning x cube na ito itapad kang dx para dali ra sa inyo. No? Then, karo kayo, let u be equal to 5 minus x cube. Then du is derivative ng negative x cube, negative 3x squared with respect to x. But try to observe, wala tayong nakikitang negative 3 dito. So now we will divide both sides by negative 3. So du over negative 3 is equal to x squared dx. Okay? So the integral becomes integral of 1 over u times the value of x squared dx is negative du over 3. No? Remove out negative 1/3. So, is equal to negative 1/3 integral of 1 over u du. So, simple na din kay class, no? Dali na kayo na ito ma-integrate. So, you have here negative 1/3. The integral of that is ln of u plus c. Then, by back substitution, negative 1/3 ln, what is the value of our u? 5 minus x cube plus c. And that is example number 4. So, lain-lain na itong ipang-example para dili din makayon ba? Wala lang yung ihatag din siya yung example. At least, lain-lain na itong example. So, let's move on to example number 5. Find the indefinite integral of 4x cubed plus 3 over x to the 4th plus 3x. Again, kung giunsa nato si number 4, pag-rewrite, para mapanay, di same na Japon ani, no? Para dili lisod sa inyo tanawon, we can rewrite that as the integral of 1 over, kay mga 1 over mo po natukuan, x to the 4th plus 3x times, itapad nato na 4x cubed plus 3 dx. So, itong gitapad. No? So, maglet nyo na ita. Dali. Let u be x to the 4th plus 3x. So, derivative niyo, what is derivative of x to the 4th? 4x cubed. What is derivative of 3x? So, plus 3 with respect to x. Observe, given na siya class, oh. Given na. So, dali rin kayo. That becomes the integral of 1 over u. Du na lang din ka. Then, integrate din siya. ln of u plus c. Then, by back substitution, what is our u? X to the 4th plus 3x plus c. So, inaanara ka mga simple ang atong mga examples in finding the integration or how to find the integral of the natural logarithmic functions examples. Okay? That's all for today. So, I hope na mo na learn. Thank you.